Imagine stepping into a doorway and emerging on the other side of the galaxy, instantly. No spaceship, no time-consuming journey, just a cosmic shortcut through space and time. This isn't just science fiction. It's a possibility that physics has entertained for decades. But do wormholes actually exist? Could they be hidden somewhere in the vast cosmos, waiting to be discovered? Or are they just mathematical mirages, teasing us with an impossible dream? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most thrilling mysteries of the universe. A wormhole, also known as an Einstein-Rosen bridge, is a theoretical passage through space-time that connects two distant points, like a tunnel linking two different locations in the universe. Think of space like a piece of paper. If you fold it in half and punch a hole through it, you've just created a shortcut, a wormhole. Instead of traveling across the entire surface, you simply jump through. Einstein's general theory of relativity suggests that such shortcuts are mathematically possible. They emerge from the warping of space-time, much like how massive objects like stars and black holes bend space and time around them. But do they actually exist in reality? Physicists have long speculated about the existence of wormholes, but the biggest question is whether they can remain stable. Theoretical models suggest that if wormholes do exist, they might require an exotic form of matter with negative energy to stay open. This strange material, often referred to as exotic matter, would push against gravity instead of pulling things together, keeping the tunnel from collapsing. We actually know that negative energy exists. Quantum mechanics has demonstrated its presence in what's known as the Casimir effect. But whether we could ever harness enough of it to hold open a wormhole is still an open question. Despite their tantalizing possibilities, no one has ever observed a wormhole. But some scientists believe they may be hidden within black holes. In fact, some research suggests that the supermassive black hole at the center of our Milky Way, Sagittarius A*, could theoretically be a gateway to another part of the universe, or even another universe entirely. If wormholes do exist, they could be extremely difficult to detect. One idea is to look for telltale distortions in light traveling through space. Some scientists propose that gravitational lensing, where light bends around massive objects, could be a way to spot a wormhole if we know exactly what we're looking for. Here's where things get even more interesting. If a wormhole could be stabilized, it might not just connect 2 points in space, it could also link 2 points in time. This means that wormholes could, in theory, be used as time machines. Send one end of the wormhole speeding near the speed of light, and time dilation could cause a time difference between the two openings. Step through, and you could emerge in the past or future. This idea, though, raises some of the biggest paradoxes in physics, like the grandfather paradox, where you could theoretically go back in time and prevent your own existence. Could wormholes be the key to time travel? Or does the universe have some unknown law that prevents such paradoxes from happening? Even if wormholes exist, using them as cosmic shortcuts wouldn't be easy. The most critical problem? Stability. Without exotic matter to keep them open, wormholes would collapse the moment anything tried to pass through. There's also the issue of radiation. Intense gravitational forces might generate so much energy that anything entering would be obliterated. Some theories suggest that naturally occurring wormholes could be microscopic, appearing and disappearing on quantum scales. But could an advanced civilization, maybe even an alien one, figure out a way to artificially create and stabilize one? The idea of engineering a wormhole sounds like pure science fiction, but some physicists believe it might be possible. If we could harness enough negative energy, we might be able to force space-time into a configuration that allows a stable passage. However, the energy requirements would likely be astronomical, far beyond anything humanity can currently produce. Some speculative theories, like those involving extra dimensions, suggest that if higher dimensional beings exist, they might already have access to wormholes. Could this explain some of the strange, unexplainable phenomena we observe in the cosmos? If wormholes exist and can be stabilized, they could revolutionize space travel. No more waiting for thousands of years to reach another star. A civilization with the technology to manipulate wormholes could leap across galaxies in an instant. This could explain why we haven't found extraterrestrial civilizations yet. Maybe they're using wormholes, bypassing conventional space travel entirely. Could humanity one day unlock the secret of wormholes? If so, it would change everything we know about exploration, time, and even the fundamental nature of reality itself. So, where does this leave us? Are wormholes real? As of now, we have no direct evidence that they exist. But mathematically, they are allowed. The challenge lies in proving their existence and finding a way to stabilize them. If wormholes are out there, they could be the universe's greatest mystery, an unseen web of cosmic highways, waiting for us to unlock their secrets. Whether they turn out to be real or remain a fascinating theory, one thing is certain. The very idea of wormholes pushes the limits of what we know and forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. So, what do you think? Could wormholes be real? And if they are, would you step through one? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending cosmic mysteries. Until next time, keep slipping through space and time.